What's up, my people? Those of y'all who are interested in getting into real estate, you guys are trying to figure things out, don't worry, I'm here for you guys, okay? The reason why I'm here for you is because I am actually doing this full time. With that said, I want to introduce to you guys why I'm making this video. I'm about to close on this deal, $60,000 deal. And this is the first of the year, like literally the beginning of the year. I'm already starting off good. I ended up buying this property and reselling it. I'm gonna get into the details of the numbers a little bit later, but right now I'm about to go pick up the paperwork that the title company sent me for me to have to like fill out and sign and have notarized and everything like that. And so, you know, once I do that, I send it to them, and closing is like, I think it's on the 7th, so today is the 2nd, closing is on the 7th. That's what I'm about to go do right now, and I want y'all to come with me. Let's go. All right, man, I'm on the way. I want to let y'all know, bro, it wasn't always like this. I didn't always start off in real estate closing $30,000 profit deals. I think this month I am actually on track to make 100K, like literally this month. It took me a long time to get to this position, man. So I don't want y'all to watch this video and think, oh, you guys are gonna get there tomorrow. Or if you start today, you're gonna get there tomorrow. But I do wanna tell you that if you start and you keep going and you listen to what I'm saying and you take action, you will get there. All right, guys, check it out. I got the paperwork right here. This isn't the money. This is pretty much me having to go get it notarized and, you know, get a couple forms signed. Like I mentioned, I ended up buying this parcel, and pretty much I'm reselling it. I didn't want to sell it in December because of tax reasons, so I wanted to move it to the first of the year so that I don't have to worry about tax planning on this until like towards the end of the year. It's kind of some high level shit that you guys are gonna get there once you guys started making like over 100K. But pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, get it notarized. Hopefully my favorite notary agent is there, my lady April. You know, start off the year with a bang. I'm gonna break down some numbers on how this deal came about and everything else a little bit later in the video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so right now I'm actually back in my crib. Before I even go out to get the papers notarized, I actually have to onboard a new VA assistant into my business. You know, over the last couple of years, I have been running my business mostly solo. There's been a couple instances that I've been hiring VAs and on and off. So it's like I hire them, I give them a couple of months for them to, you know, make sure they do good work. If I don't like the work they're doing, I fire them. So it's been kind of like that. So this VA, she actually had worked with me before. So I actually ended up having to reach out to her again to see if she's available, and she was. So I'm gonna hire her, basically like do all the follow-up calls on my sales for my sales team. She's gonna be like basically like a lead manager. Basically, she's gonna be, you know, putting together offers. She's going to be sending out contracts, following up on leads and stuff like that. And so that's what I'm gonna be onboarding her to do. And then once I do that, then I'm gonna go ahead and close, get these papers notarized, and y'all gonna be there y'all gonna be there the entire step of the way. So stay tuned. I'm on the way now to get these papers notarized. About to take the whip real quick. Hold on. Let me show y'all, man. For those of y'all who don't know, let me show y'all what I'm working with. You know what I'm saying? All right, man, check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm just heading out right now. I'm about to get these papers notarized. I'm gonna let you guys know about the details of how I got this deal, exactly what I did, how I got a contract, and exactly the numbers overall of everything and how it all worked out. So stay tuned. All right, guys. I am basically in the whip at the UPS store, and I want to show you kind of the paperwork that they let me sign, because it's just weird having to record in there. This lady actually helped me out a lot by, you know, sending me like where I need to sign and what I need to notarize. This has like the purchase The HUD statement, you know, that's what I get right there. So yeah, I'm about to go in there, get these papers signed, have them send it back to me with a copy basically, close the deal, and then have me send them a check. Guys, if you want to learn how to do things like this, if you want to learn how to make money like this to the point where you don't always have to depend on your boss or anybody basically to, like, you know, tell you what to do for money, or this, do this and this for money, do this and this. If you want to make money your own way, achieve financial freedom, and basically live the life that you were meant to live, check out my course in the description. I'm showing you exactly my exact system, step by step, of how you can make 50, well, technically I made $30,000, you know, minus marketing, maybe like $28,000, okay? I spent $2,000 and I made $28,000, okay guys, come on. I'm ready to literally tell y'all the game right now. No bluff, no BS, just how to live life good, how to have a great life. I mean, we're in 2025 already. I'm coming in 2025 with 50 fucking grand in my account, like, and I have 3 more deals closing. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a great feeling, guys. And it does comes with, like, it's good and it's bad, but I promise you, it is worth it. The bad is worth it. The struggle you have to go through for this is worth it. You can ask yourself, how long are you willing to struggle? 5 years. Be willing to struggle for 5 years to make this dream of reality, to make this lifestyle of reality, guys. It has completely changed my life. I told myself, I'm like, okay, even when you don't get the results that you want, how long are you willing to continue to go, continue to learn, continue to grow? How long are you willing to wait till you get the results? And my response was 5 years. I said, hey man, I'll do it for 5 years. If I don't figure it out, I have to figure out something else. Give yourself time. It's not gonna take you 5 years, I swear to God. It took me 1.5 years. And I'm kind of like not the smartest guy. I'm not gonna sound slow, or like, I'm not gonna call myself a bad word, but I'm just saying, like, I'm not the smartest guy, okay? I know so many more smarter people than me. You probably are smarter than me. You probably know more than I do, but that's not the issue. That's not where your strength comes from. Sure, yeah, absolutely, your strength comes from knowing, but your strength also comes from using that knowledge to put yourself forward in life. Those skills and whatever it is to put yourself forward in life. Even if it's not my course, if you're not buying my course, if you don't give a fuck, if you don't care, okay, about real estate, you just maybe clicked on this video because maybe it went viral or something. Think about what you want and go for that, for, like, no matter how long it takes, all right? I didn't want to start this into a motivational video, but I teach you guys how to do what I'm showing you to do, okay? That's all I can say I teach, all right? A lot of people, they will show you a lifestyle, they'll show you this and this, but they're not gonna give you the game. Does it come at a cost? Sure. You know what I'm saying? But there has to be a cost of entry. There has to be a cost of entry. And I'm giving you basically the cost of entry. Are you willing to pay to know how to make $100,000 a year? That's a question you gotta ask yourself, my guy. All right, guys, it's your boy, Kenny Cam Doom, Kenny the Lane Guy. Like and subscribe to my channel, man, if you like this type of content. Give me a comment down below. How long without seeing results you're willing to go? Is it 3 months, 6 months, 10 months, 18 months? Comment down below. Let me know. I'm curious. Peace.